what's going on there on the ground? We are expecting the PM to be arriving momentarily.
Well, absolutely, Rishabh. PM to arrive shortly here at the Nishank School where he'll be casting his vote. And a few while back, we saw that how Home Minister Amit Shah was present here. He's taking stock of the situation before Prime Minister's arrival. And like you correctly pointed out, Home Minister Amit Shah has been representing this iconic constituency ever since the party's stalwart LK Advani vacated the seat for the new generation to take the mantle, Rishabh. But all eyes on Prime Minister Narendra Modi to cast his vote from a short while from now. Everyone is waiting that when Prime Minister Narendra Modi will come here. Amit Shah, Home Minister Amit Shah is also here taking stock of the situation, taking a note, investigating the polling booth, that everything falls in place before Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrives to cast his vote here.
Okay, Mahima, you know, tell us a bit about.
Not to forget that.
Tell us a bit about the constituency itself. You know, you were interacting with people there last night. You've been there for some time now. What's the buzz on the ground? Because it's not just about the seat; it's about all of Gujarat.
Well, absolutely, Rishabh. We spoke to a few people yesterday. While speaking to them, we wanted to get the taste of what exactly will be the issues here when it comes to not only Gandhinagar but the entire Gujarat. So there seems to be a lot of issues. One being the national issue, that is the Ram Mandir abrogation of Article 370. These issue comes under people's radar when it comes to the Lok Sabha polls. People are very much clear. They have very much clear vision in the mind of Viksit Bharat. One, that the vikas and the development that goes on in Gujarat could be one such issue when it comes to the polling and casting of the vote. But also what is important, that there are few people who are really worried about unemployment, who are really worried about development, because somewhere down the line people do think that after Prime Minister Modi, the development has somewhere down the line has a bit slowed when it comes to Gujarat, though Gujarat has always been the model, the good development model. So people are a bit worried about the development here in the Gujarat, but also to take a note that the people of Gujarat have made up their mind to give majority and to give support to the Bharatiya Janata Party. And nonetheless, if you talk about Gujarat, Gujarat has always been the bastion for the Bharatiya Janata Party. The 25 seats, because one seat is unopposed, the Surat seat is unopposed. So definitely these 25 seats that Bharatiya Janata Party is hoping for, that they are going to get hold on at the 25 seats. So we'll have to wait and watch that what exactly will be the voting percentile, because Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself, Jagat Prakash Nadda, and Home Minister Amit Shah has appealed to the people to come out in record numbers.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.